Okay, now here we need to make the C as subject, right? Now the thing is C in denominator, no, right? Now we need to get numerator. Anything, in any equation or formula, if they ask to make something as subject, or if you need to make something as subject, it should be in numerator. Now they ask to make here C has subject, but it is in denominator, so we need to get it into numerator. The thing is here, yeah, we can apply cross multiplication if there was here a single fraction. Now this is in this side, right side here, not single fraction. So first of all, let's we make single fraction, right? That's the my idea here. I need to make here single fraction, so I can think here has 1 in the this 1 below the denominator, we can think has 1. So get to C, I need to make same denominator, then I can make as a single fraction. No, I will multiply by C square, right? And here also I will multiply by C square, right? Then I can get C square to denominator. So after that it will be like here C square, and here also C square, and C square into 1 C square, no, C square into 1 C square. So here B square minus C square and A square, right? You don't need to write this thing, right? Anyway, now here A square, here both have same denominator now, so I can write C square, and here C square minus B square, like that, right? Now we have single fraction in the right side, and here also we can make as a single fraction. If you put here 1, we can put 1 no here, if there's no anything, the denominator it is 1. So now we can apply cross multiplication, right? My target was get to C term into numerator, right? So C square into A square, it will be A square and C square, right? A square into C square, so A square and C square. 1 into anything, right? I don't need to multiply 1 by 1 these two, because here 1 into anything same will come. So here 1 into C square minus B square mean you will have same thing, but the 1 into this, it will be C square minus B square, right? Now the thing is, now here we need to make C as subject. C is in two, C here also we have, here also C we have in two place. So what we have to do is get these term which has C into one side, into one place. So what I will do here, A square and C square, A square and C square keep here, and this C square into this side. I can do that way. Or actually best thing, now if I make this C square to this side, yeah, I will get what the this what the this side B has minus, right? So what I will do to avoid that, I can bring this minus B square to this side, right? And this A square and C square to this side, right? Then we will not have like in numerator minus value, right? It's okay, you can do that way also, but I will bring this minus B to here and A square and C square to this side, like this. If I bring this minus B square to this side, it will be positive, plus, right? And here C square we have, then I will bring this A square and C square to this side, so it will be minus A square and C square, right? Now in this side, right? Now what I will do, I will get this C square to outside, basically factorize, right? What I am doing here, factorizing, get C square to outside. Then what the remain here, something here, nothing, not anything remain. No, here 1 into C square, you can think like that. Here actually coefficient in front of the C square we have here 1. So if you get C square outside, here remainder is 1. Then minus, if you got C square from here, it will be here A square, right? Now we have only one C, right? Now you can now this is like you can think like 6 equal 2x. How to find x? You divide both side by 2, right? Like this. Same idea here. I need to make C square along, no? So I need to remove this one. This is, you can think as a 1 later, because this is inside the bracket, so this will be like 1 later. You can think like C square y, like that. Here just 1 later, like that you can think. So divide by 1 minus a square. That means by this whole thing, divide this side and also this side. 1 minus a square. Then 1 minus a square, 1 minus a square cotton. Here we will get, I will write in this side, it's okay. Now here this thing I will write here, b square 1 minus a square. It's okay. Now still this is not the final answer, because they asked to make c has subject, not the c square. So how to remove this square, c square thing? So put the square root sign for both sides. So this c to c square to square root cut. Here we will get just c, and here this is the final answer. So here b square over 1 minus a square. So that's the answer for C. That's the subject. You make as C subject.